guys, welcome to Mitch's Music. Today we are going to learn Beat It by Michael Jackson. This is probably one of the most requested riffs, or one of the top 10 at least. And it's a really fun song to play. And this is going to be in my 5 riffs to learn for intermediate players, because this is a trickier riff for a few reasons. Hey guys, if you like my videos, click subscribe below and look into joining my guitar community. It's starting right now and you can sign up for that in the description right below. So let's talk a little bit about this riff. The first thing you need to know is the way that I'm teaching you, you're not going to be able to play along with the CD just as your guitar is right now. The song is originally in E flat, so you're going to want to tune down to be able to play along with the song. If you need a tuner, check out my links below, or really just download it on your iPhone. That's pretty much all I use other than my pedal. No need to spend any money on a tuner right now, because we've got everything that we need on our phones. So I'm going to do this in standard tuning, and in this version I'm going to do the Michael Jackson version. In a later version I'm going to show you how to play the Weird Al version, because it is in a different key. So I'm going to show you how to play the riff that way as well. So let's get started, and as always the tab is going to be below, and just follow along with me. So it's going to start out with the low E string, then it's going to go to the 3rd fret, then to the 2nd fret on the A string. So E, 3rd, 2nd. And then it's going to go to the G string. Alright, let's try that kind of slow. 1, 2, ready, go. And sometimes I'll play this one with my finger. That's more of a country technique, but it's fine to do. If I'm playing it faster, sometimes my finger will just grab it, and if that's easier for you, then do it. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, and then you're going to go to the 2nd fret on the D string. And then you're going to do a hammer on from the 2nd to the 4th fret. And then go back to the 2nd. Then open. And play that twice. So that last part is... Let's try that together. Ready, go. And that's it. So that's it for the first part. The second part is the same thing, just a different rhythm at the end. So let's do the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the second time it's just going to go. So instead of playing the D twice, you're going to play it once. So let's try both times. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat it. And that's pretty much it, guys. There's going to be a tab that you can play along with following this video, this part of the video at least, and play along with that one, and then come back if you like Weird Al and you'd like to learn his version in C. See you next time, guys, and enjoy the videos.